Ever since I was little, I've always been fascinated by nature and the possibilities the world had to offer. I imagined myself an adventurer, a thrill seeker,
Good job, guys.
or maybe a warrior with creatures to ride and giants to conquer. But you know what? I get scared sometimes. Well, maybe a lot of times. But I figure that's probably okay. Because to love adventure is to love its ups as well as its downs. I hope one day you'll get to experience that too. To be brave even when you're scared. And we can swap a story or two. But for now, it's time to sleep, little man. Tomorrow has a lot more stories for you.